Have you ever wondered which gaming tool is better? Today, we are comparing Gearup Booster and ExitLag. Both tools help improve your online gaming experience. They aim to reduce lag and enhance connection stability. But how do they differ? Let's start with Gearup Booster. This tool focuses on optimizing your internet connection. It prioritizes gaming traffic, ensuring smoother gameplay. Gearup Booster also offers a user-friendly interface. It's easy to set up even for beginners. Now, let's talk about ExitLag. This tool also aims to reduce lag. However, it uses a unique routing system. ExitLag finds the best path for your game data. This can lead to better connections, especially for international servers. It also has a simple setup process, making it accessible for all players. So, what are the key differences? GearUp Booster mainly optimizes your connection. Exit lag, on the other hand, uses advanced routing techniques. This can make exit lag more effective in some situations. When it comes to features, GearUp Booster offers basic optimization tools. It's great for casual gamers. ExitLag provides more advanced options. It's ideal for serious gamers who want the best performance. Now, let's discuss pricing. Gearup Booster tends to be more affordable. ExitLag may cost a bit more but offers a trial period. This lets you test it before committing. In the end, if you're a casual gamer, Gearup Booster might be your best bet, but if you play competitively and need that extra edge, Exit Lag could be worth the investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.